In this video, I will show you how to fix the "You were kicked from the session by BattlEye" error in GTA 5. First, open the Rockstar Games launcher on your PC and go to Settings, then locate the BattlEye option. If you usually play GTA offline with mods, make sure BattlEye is turned off so it doesn't interfere with your files. However, if you're playing GTA Online, BattlEye must be enabled to avoid being kicked from sessions. Next, completely close the Rockstar Games launcher, then open Task Manager and end any Rockstar-related processes running in the background. After that, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type SC, delete B and press Enter. Once you see the success message, close Command Prompt and reopen the Rockstar Games launcher. When you launch GTA Online again, BattlEye should reinstall automatically and work correctly without kicking you from the session. That's how you can fix the "You were kicked from the session by BattlEye" error in GTA 5. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel